How to find your account history on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account history on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Now after you click on your profile icon, click here on these three lines and now click your activity, and as you see here you will see account history. Click on it, and now as you see you can manage your account history settings, and that's how to find your account's history. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.